Hi. In this lesson, I will tell you about the basic elements of the Vanessa Automation form. Let's open the second copy of Vanessa in training mode. Excellent. First, let's look here. There are 6 bookmarks on the main form of Vanessa Automation. Each of them has its own purpose. There will be a separate lesson for each bookmark, and now we will quickly talk about why they are needed. On framework launch, the first one is active, which is called running scripts. This is where the main work with tests takes place. Here they are created and run for execution. We will constantly work with her in our lessons. Next is the tab EPF generator. This is where data processors with new steps are created. Usually, there are enough steps from the main library on test creating. But sometimes there may be a situation when you need to create your own step, and then it happens here. Next is Libraries tab. It specifies the locations from which Vanessa will upload steps to use in test scripts. We'll talk about step libraries in a separate lesson. Next is the tab Working with UI. This bookmark was actively used before Vanessa Automation got its own script editor. Now this bookmark is rarely used. You can find some technical information in it, but as a rule we will not use it. It is left for compatibility. Next is the tab Test Clients. Here is a table of test clients. This table describes the parameters for test clients' connections, such as the database path, username, and so on. Let's talk about it later. And the last tab is Service. Here are Vanessa Automation settings. There are a lot of settings. We will consider them in detail in separate lessons. This ends up the topic about the main elements. Go to the following sections of the interactive help.